Hey guys, this is Sarah from Snacks and Crafts. Today we are doing the half double crochet, half double crochet, American terms. And we will be starting all over from scratch. If you watched my last video, which was the double crochet, I'd made a little bitty swatch of stuff. I just completely started over from that, just got rid of it all. And we will be starting with the, what's it called? Slip knot. So, do that. That's how I start. And then we're gonna chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is our 12. The 10 is our foundation, and the other two are our height stitches to start the next row. So what we're gonna do, very similar to the double crochet, is we're gonna build up 2 stitches. So these 10 will be our foundation thing. And then with the half double versus the double, we're gonna wrap, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through all 3 that are gonna be on the hook. So this is it. Yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. So we have our 3, yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. And that's how you do it. Now we're gonna go into the next one. Yarn over, into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have 3, yarn over, pull through all of them. And so this is like an in-between the single crochet and the double crochet, because you get that height of 2 stitches, but not really. It's all smushed because because when you pull through all 3, it kind of scrunches it down a little bit. So it's taller than a 1, shorter than a 2. It's like 1.5. So they say half double. I didn't come up with the names. And there we go. So yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Oh, I think I went in between the fibers there. Let me back up. Back up. There we go. Okay. Grab some yarn, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have our 3, yarn over if you can, and then pull through all 3. And then sometimes I'll pull on this to just get my tension right if it ends up being too loose for my liking. So yarn over again, go through the next stitch. There we go. Yarn over, pull through. We have our 3. Yarn over, pull through all 3. So far we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. Can y'all see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm counting those little V's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's easier to tell the more you do this. Now when you're looking at what stitch to go into next, if you stretch out your work, you can see this V is the stitch we just did. And so this stitch is where our next bit will go. Over, pull through. There's 3. Yarn over. we go. Yarn over. This is our last stitch. That was hard for me to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, just want to make sure it was actually on the last stitch. Yarn over. There we go. Yarn over, pull through all 3. All right, then we're going to turn the work, and then we would chain 2, 1, 2 for our height, and then just do it all over. This one's really fast. Ah, see what happens? You see what happens? I want to pull it all the way in there. Okay. Then we just keep going. And so this is the half double crochet. Let me walk. I feel like I didn't talk you through this one very much, but it's a bit simpler. All right. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. See, look, this can happen. So this was from the previous thread stitch. This is the actual one I'm trying to pull through, so it just yarn over, stitch, yarn over, pull through on 3, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, all 3, yarn over, stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Look at that, and you just keep on going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's always good to count your stitches because, like I say, if you're gonna, I just kicked something. If you're gonna follow a pattern, they're gonna tell you how many stitches you need to have made by the end of your round, and you just want to make sure that's right. So I'm always counting my stitches. But that is the half double crochet, and then in the next video, I think I'm gonna look up the American versus UK terms. That way we just have record of, I looked it up, I gave you guys that information. That way you can know what that is if you're reading patterns. But thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. If there's any YouTubers that you've found that have really good instructions, I'd love to watch them. That way I can get better at giving instructions too. Y'all have a good day. Bye.